Why is jurisdiction key in civil law cases? Imagine trying to solve a puzzle, but some pieces just don't fit. That's what happens if a court doesn't have the right jurisdiction to hear a case. Jurisdiction is what makes sure the right court handles the right case. It's like a map that shows which court is responsible for what kind of dispute. Without it, cases could get lost or unfairly decided. In civil law, jurisdiction is split into two main parts. The first is subject matter jurisdiction. This is about whether a court has the authority to hear a specific type of case. For example, family courts handle divorce and child custody cases. Bankruptcy courts deal with debt and financial issues. If a case involves a dispute that falls outside the court's subject matter, the case can be dismissed or moved. This keeps cases in the right hands and makes sure the court has the right skills and rules to decide. The second part is personal jurisdiction. This is about whether the court has power over the person involved in the case. For instance, if someone lives in a different state or country, the court needs enough connection or contact with that person to hear the case. If not, the court cannot force that person to participate. This protects individuals from being sued in places where they have no ties or presence. Knowing about jurisdiction helps lawyers decide where to file a case. They look at whether the court has the right subject matter and personal jurisdiction. If they choose the wrong court, the case might be thrown out or sent somewhere else. This saves time and resources for everyone involved. Jurisdiction also keeps the legal system fair and organized. It makes sure cases are heard by courts with proper authority. This way, decisions are valid and respected. If courts didn't have clear jurisdiction rules, there could be chaos, with cases being heard in the wrong places or by courts that aren't qualified. So, in civil law disputes, jurisdiction is a key part of making sure justice is served correctly and efficiently.